In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to using Zoho Books or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step to efficiently prepare a professional quote for your clients. Let's start by logging into your Zoho Books organization. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access your account without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, look to your left sidebar and find the section labeled Sales. Under this heading, you should see an option marked Quotes. Go ahead and click on that to get started on the quote creation process. Now, locate the plus new button situated in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open the new quote page, where the majority of your work will take place. This is where you'll enter all the important details for your quote. First up, you'll need to specify the customer for whom this quote is being prepared. If your client is already in the system, simply select their name from the drop-down menu. If not, don't worry, you can easily add a new customer right here. Next, pay attention to the quote number or quote hash. This is automatically generated by Zoho Books. However, if you have a custom sequence you prefer to use, you can adjust this setting manually in your account settings. Some quotes may require an internal reference number, in which case you can utilize the reference / field. Moving on to the quote date, you'll notice it defaults to today's date. Of course, you have the flexibility to change this if you need to reflect a different date on your quote. It's also essential to set an expiry date, indicating the time frame within which the quote is valid. Don't overlook this step, especially if your business operates with time-sensitive quotes. Should your quote involve a specific salesperson, you can assign that individual under the salesperson section. And if the quote relates to a particular project, you can either link it to an existing one or initiate a new project. Next, it's time to add the products or services you're quoting for. Use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate items and ensure that everything you intend to include finds a place in the quote. Each item's quantity and detail must be entered accurately. For instances where you need to add multiple items, simply click plus add row to incorporate more line items. Take a moment to review the total quoted amount. Be thorough here, checking for accuracy in taxes, discounts, or any other financial specifics that are relevant. Once you're satisfied, decide if you'd like to save your quote as a draft, keeping it for future edits, or finalize the process by clicking Save and Send to email it directly to your customer. This choice depends largely on whether you're ready to share the quote immediately or wish to review it later. There you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently craft quotes in Zoho Books, ensuring a smooth and professional experience for your business dealings.